Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your internal thermometer in your XXL Pro. Before you get started, you want to make sure that your smoker has had time to cool and has been unplugged, but let's get into it. This is where your internal thermometer is located, but we need to undo these 4 screws in order to access it. So a tip for feeding our new thermometer is we're gonna pull our old one out. We're gonna end up cutting this off, and then we will tape or secure this to our old thermometer and then pull it back through the hopper. All right, give yourself as much slack as you can and cut this off close to the base. And then you'll grab your new connector, and I'm going to tie this in a knot just to make sure that we don't lose it. And then I'm also going to secure it with a little bit of tape. Test it and make sure it won't come loose. All right, we need to access this hopper plate, so we're going to take off the 6 screws and get to it. Once this is removed, you're going to locate this wire here, the same as above, and disconnect it from the controller. Before you start pulling from the hopper side, you want to make sure to feed the thick end through as far as you can, just to avoid anything getting stuck or coming undone. Now you should be ready to pull this through very carefully. And you should see that end right here. Now you need to connect it back up to your controller, so find the connector that looks very similar to this. I hope that these tips were helpful for you in reinstalling a new thermometer on your XXL Pro. If you have any further questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thank you.